Hey everybody, Vinay here from Notch, and today we'll walk through what editing controls does Notch provide for its ads. So one of the issues with AI generated content is the lack of ability for it to be edited and made production ready. And this is a problem where our team has obsessed and built a 10x better experience than anything else in the market. So let's walk through what that looks like. So let's look at an example of an ad generated for our favorite Jim's Barry's. Now you as a marketer might want to change the size of these fonts and center that text. So let's look what that looks like on Notch. We can edit this ad in many ways. One of the most advanced features we built is our ability to take these ads and edit them in Figma. So let's look through what that experience looks like. So you click on edit in Figma. We have a Notch plugin here. We can copy this URL and paste the link here. And as you can see, in a few seconds, our unique system that actually does object detection and layerization is able to take this static ad, which is not layered, and convert it into completely a layered file and allows you to do exactly what we wanted. Let's call this ad back into Notch. And as you can see here, we were able to do it. Now this gives you tremendous flexibility to take the ad we generated, but then give you all the controls if you're an advanced designer in Figma. The great news is for designers without the ability to do things in Figma, we have a Canva editor as well. And then finally, if you're just not in the mood to jump into complex editors, we always give you a free to use chat experience as well.